I, Vishwas Nikam of College Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. My topic is electrical measuring instrument and machines. Introduction. Electrical measurements are used in physical, chemical, and biological research and in the chemical industries, television equipments of aircrafts and of spacecraft. Second point. Measurements of electrical quantities such as voltage, impedance, current, AC frequency and phase, power, electrical energy, electric charge, inductance and capacitance. Third point, electrical equipments capable of converting non-electrical quantities into electrical quantities. Active electrical quantities. First point, the measurement of active electrical quantities such as current and voltage. Second point, which characterize the energy state of a major circuit, make use of the direct action of these quantities on the measuring instrument and generally draws some amount of power from the circuit. The electrical measuring meters are as follows: ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter, electric meter and frequency meter. Passive electrical quantities. The measurement of passive electrical quantities such as impedance and its complex components, inductance and the tangent of the dielectrical loss angles. Second point, which characterize the electrical properties of a measured circuit, requires existence of the circuit by an outside source of the electrical energy and measurement of circuit's response. Passive electrical quantities are measured by ohms meters, megohms meters, inductance meters, capacitance meters and quality factor meters. AC and DC measuring instruments. First point, the techniques and instruments used for the electrical measurements in DC circuit differ substantially from those used in AC circuit. AC measuring instrument. First point, in AC circuit, the choice of technique and instrument depends on the frequency of the nature of the quantities, variations on which values instantaneous effects, maximum or average of the varying electrical quantities and being measured. Third point, measuring in AC circuit are made with electromagnetic, electrodiamagnetic, induction, electrolytic, rectifier and digital instruments and with oscillographs. DC measuring instruments. First point, permanent magnet instruments and digital measuring device are the instruments most widely used for measuring DC circuit. Second point, whereas some of these instruments are used for measurement in both AC and DC circuit. Third point, the value of measured electrical quantities in the following range: current from 10 raised to minus 16 to 10 raised to 5 ampere, voltage from 10 raised to minus 9 to 10 raised to 7 volts, resistance from 10 raised to minus 8 to 10 raised to 16 ohms, power from 10 raised to minus 16 watt to 10 of gigawatts, and AC frequency from 10 raised to minus 3 to 10 raised to 12 hertz. Thank you for watching my video.